Ensonga y'ebyapa ebifulumizibwa awamu n'ebijingirwa zimu ku nsonga ezikooneddwako minisita ow'amazzi n'obutonde bw'ensi Betty Atimwanywa. Ono okuvayo bw'ati kiddiridde nampala wa gavumenti Hamson Obuwa okussa akazito ku bitongole bya gavumenti awamu ne minisitule okulwanyisa abazimba mu ntobazi era nti n'olukiiko lwa baminisita ensonga zino baziteesaako dda.
We agreed that all land titles issued within wetlands should be cancelled and those involved prosecuted in accordance with the laws of Uganda. It is now incumbent upon the respective organs of government through the line ministries to swing into action.
Minisita Anywa akakasizza nti ekiragiro kya President baakifuna wabula nga ebimu ku bibasoomooza okussa kino mu nkola by'ebyapa ebifulumizibwa mu ntobazi n'ensonga endala.
Challenge, Right Honourable Speaker, is that we have a lot of forged certificates which are given out there. Certificates by so-called NEMA, and then the certificates. The cancellation process is on, and the processes by the Ministry of Land has started. We have, as NEMA, since the directive of the President, officially there is no issuance of any certificate allowing anybody to construct in the wetland.
Ensonga eno evudde ku kwogera kwa Sipiika Anita Mo ng'ono asiimye ekitongole kya Kcca eddimu ly'ekikoze ery'okkuba ebiraka mu Kampala wabula n'asaba baleme kutereeza nguudo abagenyi kwe bagenda okutuukira wabula n'enguudo bannansi ze bakozesa.
Diversion, you cannot pass and that kind of thing, and with this too much rain that is happening, there is a lot of inconvenience. So I request Kcca to consider all Ugandans as visitors. As we wait for the other visitors who are coming, we punch everywhere, and we want a beautiful city. Once that is done, we don't have to segregate. We don't work on our house only when we know there are visitors coming. We give out money and it's for the whole city.
Ono era ategeeza nga ne bamusiga nsimbi bwe bagufudde omugano okuzimba mu mifulejje ekintu ekiviiriddeko obutonde bw'ensi okukosebwa.
We first take action on the fiscal planning department in Kcca so that we are able to plan for the trenches very well. Yes. We have all these lakes. I'm about to name one annual lake.
Abaka ab'enjawulo nabo bayimulugunyiza ku nguudo ez'enjawulo eziri mu mbeera embi.
That the roads, most of the roads in the city have outlived their usefulness. And this patching you see is like an old man, someone with an old cloth. You keep patching and patching until you can't patch no more. I remember when we came here the other time, we talked about the status that is shaming to all of us. Wherever you pass, everyone's car arrives here when it is mud.
Nampala wa gavumenti Hamson Obuwa ategeeza ng'ensimbi ezitali zimu ezeetaagisibwa okulaba nga enguudo zonna ez'omu kibuga Kampala zitereezebwa.
Promise that the ministry in charge of the sector will be available, but honourable colleagues, all said and done. The Ministry of Works and Transport, including UNRWA, needs our additional support in terms of funding to handle the emergencies that are currently happening in the country.
Yes, Kigongo, Kulwa, Channel 44, Oleguro.